evening, everyone, and welcome to episode 8 of What's Next with Next Tier. You're here with Purple Mama, Carly Purple Mama, and we got Shaun MrMininja, and myself, Dave, ScrubPhoenix. Good to have your company with us on this episode.
We don't have a Nessie today. He's busy doing Easter family things, so happy Easter to everyone, and we'll hopefully get Ness back next week.
Yeah, so Ness could join us, as Carly said, but we got the wonderful Shaun Osler here from the Rocket League division. He's going to be giving us some awesome insights on Rocket League soon, and we'll get into that as we go along. So welcome, Shaun.
I feel like it's been a really long week since we did the launch on Tuesday. Was that on Tuesday?
Yeah.
It was. I feel like it's been a monster week. So Challenger Pass is open. Go get one. Registrations for the league are open. Yep. Go become a Challenger member so that you can play games. We have had some questions rolling in about how to complete the sign-up process, and Ness did very kindly make a little video showing you how to do it. I know it can be a bit tricky to navigate the website, especially on mobile. So go watch the video on the Next Tier Facebook page, and I think we shared it in a few groups as well. If you're having trouble, but get in touch with us as well. If you need help, we're happy to just have a chat and get you through it. What are some other questions you've had, Dave?
Well, on that note as well, we did make the sign-up process a lot. We tried to simplify it as much as possible. So, yeah, again, just reach out to us if you get stuck. I'll see if I can put the, because this is not a live version, I might put the link down below for you guys to check that out, the Facebook page. So, but we had a question regarding the sign-ups. Sorry, Carly, I don't have my notes in front of me.
That's okay.
I can't because I'm streaming.
That's okay. So the cost of the tournaments, I think, has come in as a question. So the cost is for Next Tier membership, so getting that Challenger Pass, which also gives you access to some awesome sponsor discounts, which we'll talk about later. So it's not payment for the tournaments at all. Once you're a member of Next Tier, you can sign up to as many of the tournaments as you want. You can play Tekken, Rocket League. I don't know if you're that diverse a player, but hey, give it a shot.
Yeah, we're not asking for any extra to play any extra tournaments, guys. It's just a once-off, and that gives you access to any tournament you like. So if you want to play a bit of Rocket League and you want to play a fighting game, you're more than welcome to. No extra cost at all. Just a once-off, and for the membership pass. And yeah, as Carly said, sponsorship discounts. You're going to get some awesome discounts. So we'll shout out to, we'll get onto the sponsors soon. We'll do some mentions there, but yeah, that's it for
We also need to talk about, minimum numbers. So we do need people to sign up pretty quickly for the tournaments they want to enter. If we don't reach the numbers required, we won't be able to go ahead with a tournament because it doesn't make any sense. So if you do want to play in one of our tournaments, please sign up as quickly as you can. I think registrations close at the end of this month.
That's right.
So if you can get on, grab your Challenger Pass and sign up for your tournament as soon as you've done that, that would be really, really good.
Yeah, so your minimum numbers, guys, just so you know, Ness has updated me on the fighting games. I believe that's fine. The fighting game guys are pretty fired up and ready to go. We're looking for a minimum of 6 for the fighting games. With the team games, that being Rocket League and League of Legends, we're looking for a minimum of 4 teams, okay? So 4 teams to enter the Rocket League and League of Legends. So, and that is teams of 3, I should say. So teams of 3, and for League of Legends, teams of 5, okay? And Rocket League, we have Shaun here, as we said, so we might as well segue into asking him what's going on with Rocket League.
Yeah, so with Rocket League, we're doing a sort of a skill cap this season, and this is mainly with the Challenger Pass, just so it's accessible for everyone that's a member. So with this competition, we're going to be capping it at 1 player above champ rank, and for each team. So that doesn't mean that you need to have 1 player of that rank in your team. You can have whatever, as long as there's a maximum of 1 per team.
So it just means you can't have 3 champ players come in and stomp all the other teams every week. That would be no fun at all. Yeah. I mean, it's great to watch. It's really entertaining to watch those players with high skills. So I played last year with my team opposite Oreo, and we're quite low skill. I think this year we're coming in at silver and nearly at gold. So we have improved, actually.
Crept up a little bit.
We have, we're not bronze anymore, so that's good. We've been practicing. But yeah, coming in every week and just getting slammed, I mean, it's fun, but it becomes a bit disheartening. So to actually go in there knowing that you've got a shot against these other teams, it's really good. But yeah, watching those players with such high skill, it's so entertaining. So yeah, I'm looking forward to watching next season again.
Yeah, I mean, there has been a few people not happy with the decision, but I mean, from my standpoint, I know everyone's got their own thoughts on this, but you know, we're an organisation that want to get people into esports, all right? So there's a lot of bigger organisations down south and even internationally that do, if you are that good, you do have an avenue to get there. We want to just give the community a chance to get involved, and that's what we're about. That's what next tier is about, getting in and going to the next tier with esports. So hopefully that makes sense and why we're doing it. We're not just doing it because we want to, you know, we had some complaints. We want to do it because it's in line with our goals and our mission for the next tier. Okay?
Yeah, we don't want people to be scared to play. Don't be scared to play. Jump in.
That's everything.
So your team, Shaun, triple commit. How many champ players? Did you have a couple of champ players on your team?
All of us were.
Yeah. So what are you guys going to do? Are you splitting up and finding some extra friends, or?
Yeah. So when this video goes out, hopefully we're all going to be putting our names in the comments, just so if people are looking to make a team, they can let us know. And we've got, I think there's 3 teams of us that are looking for players. So that's 9 players.
Maybe I'll be on your team, Shaun.
Nice.
We'll see. We'll talk about it.
Yeah, we might have lots of teams actually. Like you're gonna have.
Yeah.
What'll be really cool there is if once you've got like the highest player is sort of like a captain, and they can like recruit people into there, and you can come up with some cool team names and
do some training. That would be awesome. Yeah.
So if anyone is looking for a team, just let us know and we can get some people together. No problem.
Yeah. So do you chat with Rocket League people on Discord or in the esports group? Where do you communicate with the players?
Well, I'm on the Discord pretty much all the time. And we've also got a Steam group for all the NT players as well.
I didn't know about that.
Need to add
you do need to add me. Add the details below so that we can get people. Yeah, I know. It's hard to keep track. And you're doing a bit of a hype video. Are we rolling that today?
I believe.
Or is it coming? Is it coming?
Oh, we were going to do it. Yes, I can get that ready. So, guys, while we're doing the stream, so I'll just have to multitask there. Sorry.
Alrighty. Thank you, Shaun. That's really good. I am looking forward to seeing all of the Rocket League action. It's going to be awesome.
I'll be shoutcasting it, so it's going to be really fun.
Yeah.
And by the way, I think Shaun and a few others are going to be joining me on the shoutcasters. There's going to be a few. We're going to still work out who's doing it, but.
So are those games going to be streamed, or what's?
Yeah. So the way we're going to do it, and we're still sort of working out a schedule, but we will be doing one game a week, as with League of Legends and the fighting game. So there'll be like a 3-game stream roster every week. Not all games will be streamed. We've decided that it's a bit full on to stream them all, but we will be still running the games weekly so that the points can be accrued from the teams that win to then. Yeah.
Cool.
So there'll be still enough. And even if you don't want to play, guys, join in. If you don't want to play, if you think it's not for you, join in with your friends. I mean, you can't go watch the footy or anything at the moment. You can't go watch traditional sports. So Rocket League is the closest you're going to get to some sports action, well, that you're familiar with anyway. So get your mates to join in and barrack your teams, your local teams.
Or just create a team and play.
Or just do
Highly
that.
recommend it. Just do it.
That's it.
So let's talk about sponsors now, Dave. We've been pretty bloody busy with our sponsors and get sorted.
Sort of throwing things out there. So what I've done is obviously local businesses are in a bit of a a tough time at the moment. So I've reached out to some and said, hey, look, we'll give you some free advertising throughout the season. And the season is going for a bit. Like we're going to be pushing every week from May to like September when the season finishes, like constantly. So there's quite a good opportunity for sponsors to jump on and get that exposure. So what we've got so far, we got Slap On Prints. So they're actually doing our shirts. So should mention that I was going to mention this before, but we got some shirts on the way for merchandise, and they've been really helping us out with that. So we got some samples, which I'm picking up today. So Slap On Prints are giving anyone that wants to make a custom shirt 10% off. So sorry, our members, our Challenger members, 10% off a custom design print, or you can get like a decal or something on your mug or something like that if you want to have your little logo on there.
I need a mug.
Yeah,
sorry.
Purple Mama mug.
For all my coffee, I love coffee so much.
So that's Slap On Prints.
Slap On Prints, yep. Thirsty Zach.
Thirsty Zach, yeah. Thirsty Zach over in the waterfront, so shout out to them. They're giving 15% off, which is great. John John's, so gelato. I think they've just relocated their shop. So
they sell donuts too.
If you can't get enough more sugar, go see them. They got the best gelato in town. 10% off for those guys. And yes, we do have Origin Kebabs. Yes, Origin Kebabs in Gateway. They're giving us 15% off, giving all Challenger members 15% off. So all you need to do is go to your you log in on your phone when you're a Challenger member and show your little pass, and then you'll get your access.
Get your discount.
Get your discount.
Nice.
That's pretty cool.
Cool stuff. We've got merch on the way. We're going to be wearing our test shirts next week, I think. I can't wait to get mine on. I'm going to order a Purple Mama shirt because I can, and I'm going to get a discount, so that's exciting.
You're trying to get a purple, but couldn't get a purple.
Oh, I need a purple shirt.
Just all you need to do is get a purple ink colouring and throw it in your washing.
Okay.
And it'll go purple.
I don't think that's how it works, but okay. I think that's all we need to talk. Oh, we have been doing some stuff with some media people, so keep an eye on the news, everybody. You might see some of our lovely faces.
Yeah. NT news, local news, and ABC. We won't go into detail, but gonna get some stories. I've reached out to some media. So.
You're the worst at hints, by the way. Okay, before David spills any more of our secrets, let's call it quits there. Thanks for joining us, everyone. Like the Next Tier Facebook page, join the esports and gaming community NT group, join the streaming and content creation group, subscribe to us on YouTube, follow us on Twitch, the Next Tier TV. I'm trying to think of all the things. Join our Discord, do all the things, talk to us, become a Challenger member. It's all the things.
Yeah, it's going to be awesome, guys. Thank you, thank you, Carly and Shaun, for today. And stay safe out there. Stay safe and well and isolated. And we'll see you.
See you next week.
See you next week. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yeah.